ki kes ki batamai varo ki dei nyo punyo Southho ki dana po East Khasi Hills Hudson West Garo Hills Khandai po East Garo Hills Nreo po Ribhoi R po East Jaintia Hills R po West Jaintia Hills Iway po South Garo Hills Iway po Southwest Garo Hills but Iway Southwest Khasi Hills ki case ki banong active mental ki long 6000 laispa harpunri nriu ki dan po South recover mental kasi ki long sispa hatlai pra pukandai ki dei na po East Khasi Hills hatlai na po Ribhoi pra na po West Garo Hills an po West Jaintia Hills but Iway na po North Garo Hills kiba na recover hado menta kasi kelum lang baro kilong nyau haja raspa kandai ko armut bang yo report ki bakhlap ki belong covid positive menta kasi bang yo ki report but bakhlap baro kelum lang kilong rapnyo baro ki bang test hado menta kasi arwaji menski kilong arlap laispa kandai pui ibalong negative ilong silap kandai pui hajar rapupra il Southho lagi di nepo ki armed forces paramilitary forces ar ki di high risk ar ki di ILI case but lagi di returnees Khatsan apo West Garo Hills ndriu ki di high risk new por ngile screening but ar ki di returnees East Garo Hills, Khandai, Baro Hidegi, high risk case. West Ribhoi, Nreo, some Hidegi high risk, where they returning. West Jaintia Hills are where the Sari case, where they need screening. East Jaintia Hills are where the ILI case, but where they returning. Southwest Garo Hills, Iway, they high risk. Southwest Khasi Hills, Iway, they high risk. But South Garo Hills, Iway, they health worker. The breakup of the 77 new cases today is as follows. East Khasi Hills 40, 3 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 32 are high risk cases, 2 are from the ILI case that we have found, and 3 are returnees. West Garo Hills 15, 6 are high risk cases, 7 we have done through screening and 2 returnees. East Garo Hills 9, all high risk cases, 6 from Ribhoi district, 5 are high risk and 1 returnee, 2 from West Jaintia Hills, 1 is a Sari case and 1 is through screening. East Jaintia Hills 2, 1 is an ILI case and another 1 is a returnee. Southwest Garo Hills 1, high risk. Southwest Khasi Hills 1, who is a high risk. And South Garo Hills 1 is a health worker. People who have expired. Mr. Lal Bahadur Vaiba, 62 years, male, resident of 29 Cantonment Colony, Anjali Beat House, East Khasi Hills. Passed away on 14th of October 2020 at 7:36 p.m. He was admitted in Supercare Hospital on 12th October 2020 at 2:09 p.m. And the cause of death given is acute respiratory distress syndrome, and he is COVID positive. Mr. Bellingstar Linkhoy, 45 years, male, resident of Langsemphut, Mawsynram, East Khasi Hills, was admitted in Supercare Hospital on 18 October 2020 and was found to be COVID positive and expired on 28/10/2020 at 9:28 p.m. Cause of death is post-cholecystectomy status with cholelithiasis with cholangitis and sepsis with multi-organ failure.